Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the bladder, prostate, and reproductive system. If you've ever wondered how these crucial body parts function, stick around, because we've got a comprehensive guide for you. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our exciting videos. Alright, let's get started. Before we wrap up, it's important to know how to keep these systems in tip-top shape. I'll share some expert tips on maintaining a healthy bladder, promoting prostate health, and ensuring your reproductive system is in top condition. Remember, knowledge is power. ProtoFlow. It is a prostate wellness formula designed to offer complete supports the normal functions of the bladder, prostate, and reproductive system, top benefits without compromises when it comes to your prostate health. Pure, clean, and effective. 100% free of chemical coating and other non-essential fillers. Non-GMO, vegan, and gluten-free. Incredible results in record time, fully packed with powerful and natural ingredients such as ginger berries, etc. Over 50 extra resources that will deepen your knowledge and help you support your immune system. Testosterone levels decline on average about 1% a year after age 40. This not only affects your prostate, but your sex drive, muscle mass, and even hair loss. It naturally boosts your testosterone in quick, effective, and unusual ways. Some work in fewer than 2 minutes, some take a bit longer, but all of them are proven to work and boost your testosterone levels so you can remain strong, virile, and full of energy, no matter your age. Remember, your health matters, so keep learning and taking care of yourselves. See you in the next video.